Okay, let's start. Now we are going to continue with the part where the writing part 2 of your exam. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to use tangents. There's 2 canons for tangents that you have to remember that we learned in module 5. The tangent together with the radius, the tangent together with the radius, when they meet, lazim they make a 90-degree angle. That makes this triangle a right triangle. Okay? Now, to prove that, so here we want to find the value of x. We are not proving. We want to find the value of x. So if this triangle is a right triangle, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. You want C. C equals to the square root of A squared plus B squared. A squared is 15 squared, B squared is 20 squared. 225 plus 400 gives us 625. So what's the square root of 625? The square root of 625 should be 25. So C equals to 25. And C is the same as X. So X equals to 25. Did they give us units? No. So X is 25 units. Box your answer. Same thing here. Find the value of X. But now, when I look at this picture, X is only from here to here. So I should know the distance from here to here is 15 because it is the radii of this circle. Okay? Now, RT will be X plus 15. So this is my A, this is my B. Tangent will always be B. Radii will always be A. Okay? Then the other part will always be C. So I will start. C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. Why did I do that? Because I want my half to be on the left. But it doesn't matter. You can do A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Same thing. Now, C squared, which we said is RT squared, RT squared equals to RS squared plus ST squared. RT is X plus 15, X plus 15 squared, which is equals to RS squared, which is 15 squared plus 36 squared. This is 225. And then this is 1296. If you add these two together, you should get 225 plus 1296 to give us 1521. Okay? 1521. X plus 15, but remember it is squared. X plus 15 squared. Now I want to remove this square, just do square root both sides. So I will get here X plus 15 equals to the square root of 1521, which is 39. Then I subtract 15 on both sides. X equals to 24. Okay? Just like that. All right. We move on. Okay. I know that this is 21. I know here is the 90-degree box. So I have C, I want B. This is A, this is C. Okay, so I write here B equals the square root of C squared minus A squared. B is X. C squared is 21 plus 8. That means 29. So 29 squared. I will add these two numbers. Minus 21 squared. Okay, 29 squared is 841 minus 21 squared is 441. Okay, 841 minus 441 gives us 400. So that's the square root of 400, which is 20. So X is 20 units. And I box my answer. 24 units. Okay? All right. This radii from P to S is X. Okay? And this is 90-degree. This is my A. This is my B. This is my C. C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. C is X plus 4 squared equals to X squared plus 17 squared. Okay, when I do this one, I will get X plus 4, X plus 4 equals to X squared plus 289. Okay, now let's continue. Let's do FOIL or distributive property. X plus 4, 4x plus 4 equals to x squared plus 289. X squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 equals to x squared plus 289. X squared plus 8x plus 16 equals to x squared plus 289. Subtract x on both sides, x squared on both sides. This goes away. Subtract 16 on both sides. This goes away. You're left with 8x equals to 273. Then you divide by 8 both sides. And we were told we can round to the nearest hundredth. So the question said here round to the nearest hundredth. So divide by 8 both sides. X is approximately 34.125. Circle 2, add 1, and our answer is X is approximately 3, 4. Now here it is equal. Then after you round, here it is equal. Then after you round, you put the approximate. So that becomes 34.13. And it is length. So you're going to put units and you box your answer. Okay. Why am I writing in a different color? It's supposed to be black. 34.13. Okay. All right. Same thing here. This will be x. So I want, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. C squared equals to A squared plus B squared. X plus 9 squared equals to x squared plus 15 squared. X squared plus 225. This will be x plus 9, x plus 9. You can do FOIL, you can do distributive, you can do Kanun. So here, this will be x squared. Here will be plus 2 times A times B. And then here will be plus B squared if I'm using the Kanun. If I don't want to use the Kanun, I can do FOIL or distributive property. Okay, so this becomes x squared plus 2 times 9 times plus 2 times 1 times 9 plus 9 squared, which is equals to x squared plus 225. This becomes, you need to put x, don't forget that, x squared plus 18x plus 81 equals to x squared plus 225. Then I subtract x squared on both sides. This goes away, 18x, and then I also subtract 81 on both sides. This goes away. So what is 225 minus 18? 225 minus 81 is 144. Then I divide both sides by 18. This goes away, and then x should be 8. X should be 8. And you box your answer. Okay? Because the question said find the value of x. Okay? All right. So c squared by 90 degree is where the radius and the tangent are meeting. C squared equals to a squared plus b squared. C squared is x squared. A squared is who? 10 squared. And b is x minus 2 squared. So x squared equals to 100 plus, I'm going to use the Kanun. So the Kanun says here, x squared, then minus 2ab, and then plus b squared. So this will be x squared minus 2 times 1 times 2 plus 2 squared, which will be x squared minus 4x. Make sure you put x there, plus 4. Then here, why did I put equal sign? Plus 100, 100, x squared, like that. Then now I can subtract. X squared goes away. So now this is 0 equals to 100 plus 4 minus 4x. So this is 104 minus 4x equals to 0. Subtract add 4x on both sides. Add 4x on both sides. This goes away. So now I have 4x equals to 104. Then I divide by 4, I divide by 4, x equals to 104 divide 4, giving me 26. And I box my answer. Okay? Another kanun says when tangents meet outside at one point, both tangents are congruent. So CB is congruent to CD. CB is x plus 3. CD is 7. Subtract 3 on both sides. X is 4. And that is what the question wants me to do, to find x. Okay? And I box my answer. So think of this as your head and think of this as your two hands. Your hands must be congruent. When you place them in front of you, when you place them above your head, your hands will always be congruent. Okay? All right, so let's do this one. AB equals to AC. 4x plus 2 equals to 2x plus 8. Subtract 2x, subtract 2x, minus 2, minus 2. This goes away, this goes away. 2x equals to 6. Divide 2, divide 2, x is 3. Box your answer. Okay? I will stop here because my laptop needs to charge. So I need to go get a charger. Okay? I'll be back.